What's going on today? We are going to be making 1 hour pozole. This is quick, easy, and lazy pozole. We're going to smack it up inside our Ninja Foodie XL. All right, so you want to make sure that you have your dry stuff ready to go. We're going to have bay leaves, black pepper, cilantro, oregano, comino. We're going to have light salt. You can use regular salt if you want. Ancho chilies. We've got 5 pounds of pork. We're going to cut it into 1-inch cubes. Quick and easy. We're going to fire up the Ninja. We're going to push the power. We're going to sear saute on 5. We're going to put in about 1 ounce of oil in the bottom. All right, we're going to get our meat in there and we're going to sear it. We want to make sure we sear it on all sides, and then we can get the soup ready. As I said, this is the quick, easy, lazy way to make this. So we're going to put about 1.5 cups of chicken broth inside of the Blendtec blender. And I use the Blendtec blender because you don't have to worry about getting seeds and stems in there, because it's going to liquefy everything that we have. We're going to put 1, 2, and 3 ancho peppers inside. And then I like to keep everything easy, so we are going to put a tablespoon of everything else. So we got a tablespoon of cilantro, tablespoon of oregano, tablespoon of light salt. Go ahead and dump that guy in there. Tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper. Tablespoon of comino, ground or cumin. They're the same exact thing. We're going to put 2 garlic cloves, fresh peeled, in there. And we're going to put a little bit of fresh onion. The rest of it's going to go in the soup. All right, we're going to pulse this until it is smooth. All right, we just threw 4 cloves of garlic in here. We went ahead and threw 1 diced chopped onion inside as well. All right, we're going to go ahead and get our red sauce in there. And everyone usually takes a little bit of their broth or their chicken broth, and they get it inside there so they can make sure they get all their red sauce. All right, get all our red sauce out of here. Okay, we've got a little bit of mix, and we're going to get our can of hominy. We're going to go ahead and put, all right, we're going to pour the rest of our chicken broth inside. This is a 48-ounce chicken broth. Throw your 3 bay leaves on top. All right, so in our 8-quart, you want to make sure that you don't go past the overfill line. We're going to go ahead and hit stop. We're going to go ahead and put our pressure lid on and make sure that it is locked. And then we are going to put it on pressure, high. We're going to do it for 45 minutes. Press start, let it go. It takes about 9 minutes for it to get up to pressure. After that, it'll run for 45 minutes, and you are ready to have your 1 hour delicious pozole. Once it beeps, we're going to go ahead and turn off the quick release. Once that's done, smack it open and let's see what's inside. Looking nice and saucy.